The work that I have here in Michela's gallery is new work, and it is based on my ongoing research on the healing mechanisms of ritualistic kind of practices and healing. However, this particular work is influenced, it's based on my research on Marija Gimbutas' theories. Marija Gimbutas was an archeologist, or actually should be better described as an archaeomythologist, and she developed the Kurgan hypothesis, which is that in pre-Celtic culture there would have been a matrilinear society in what we call now Europe, and which was a peaceful one, which was actually quite pertinent to nowadays. So I am drawing loosely from these theories, and I'm kind of looking at the return of the feminine, intended though as all modes of being, so her there, and the return of the maker, the return of the feminine as a creatrix and a fighter.